This is an acorn woodpecker. He relies on these nuts to survive the coming winter. But he'll need to store away thousands. Every acorn must be wedged into its very own storage hole. Each takes a full 20 minutes of chiseling. And that could be a real headache. The side of a barn might offer a labor-saving shortcut. But it's not all going to plan. Not so clever now, huh? How frustrating. All those acorns piled up behind the boards. Until... at least now they've got another chance to do it right.